Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Jennifer Metzler here. Today I'm going to share with you a Cupshe haul. So I've partnered with Cupshe. So let's get started. So first up is this dress. So like I said, all these are from Cupshe. I was able to pick these out. They're so cute for summer. I know it's August, but summer isn't over yet. We still have a whole month of summer. And so this one is a strap, or not strapless. This one is a spaghetti strap dress. It has the adjustable straps in the back. It has this cute like little hole here. I don't know what you call this, keyhole. It has a halter type, well, not a halter. I don't know what you would call this, like a V type neckline. Very cute. It's like knotted here at the chest, and then it is like double lined in the back. It's not padded, and it is a maxi type of dress. It's very long, beautiful print. It's like this blue and red. It's like a blue and red color. Very pretty. Great for like a travel vacation. If you're going to a resort or if you're going to some kind of beach island, this would be really cute to wear there. You could pair it with some sandals. You could take it to whenever you're going out to dinner after you've been to the beach or to explore like a beach town. I live near Galveston, and so that's where I go a lot of times, and that would be a dress that I would totally wear to like walk around the Strand and whatnot. The second piece is this little mini dress, and when I say it's mini, it is very mini. I think I got a small. So all these are, or no, not all of them. The outfits are in a small. The swimsuits will be a medium. So this one is a small. I kind of wish I would have gotten a medium because it is short, and I am 5'6", so it is short, but it is definitely cute. You could use it as a cover up. It has the buttons here at the top, so you can open it up or down. It also has a button here on each side of the sleeve, so you could wear this. It becomes like a 3/4 sleeve whenever this is not attached, but you can also like attach it and then like roll it up. It would be just above your elbow. Very cute. It's lightweight. I love like the stripes and like the nautical like vibe that it gives, and it is, like I said, a little bit short, so I would either wear it over your swimsuit or wear like something underneath just in case. It isn't like the wind blow. It gives me like a linen feel, like a linen fabric. It's not quite linen, but it gives me like that linen vibe. Next up is this two-piece swimsuit. It is so cute. It kind of reminds me of sherbet. Just the colors are like a sherbet color. But so here's the top. It has adjustable straps at the back. It is padded on the inside. You can remove the pads if you wanted to. It does have this seam here. My son was like, why is the seam like that? And I was like, that's just how they made it, son. It's very cute. And then it comes with these or I don't think it comes with, I think they're separate. You buy them separately so that you can buy the appropriate sizes that you need. So it's not a set, or it's not like a two-piece set that you buy together, I should say. It is a set. But this is the bottoms, and they are high-waisted. It has like a little crossover at the waistline. So for me, you're going to see in this video here, it fit me below my belly. I do have a longer torso. The picture on the website shows the girl like up high, like above her belly. That was not my case for me, but that happens to me a lot actually. So very cute. Here's what the backside looks like. It has some pretty good coverage as well. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. So, all right. And then lastly, this one is my favorite swimsuit. This one I got in a medium. It has like these cute crisscross straps in the back. It is a one piece. I think this little peephole area is so cute on like your upper abdomen. And then this like V cut right here is so pretty. It has padded bra. That's my daughter, please ignore her. It has a padded bra on the top, and it's just so cute. The back also has like these crisscross straps that you can adjust. They're adjustable. And then it's fully lined. It has this chevron, I guess you could call it chevron, like this like up and down print all throughout the swimsuit. And then the back has really good coverage too. It came in other colors as well. Pink is definitely my favorite. And it has like a very cute crisscross here design as well. I will link everything here in the description for you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I hope you enjoyed this Cupshe haul, and comment down below any questions you may have. See you next time.